Some things don't die all at once. Sometimes hope dies slowly, faith dies slowly, joy dies slowly, dreams die slowly. And after enough disappointment, enough pain, enough waiting, people eventually say, "It's over." That's exactly where this story begins. Jairus was desperate. His little daughter was dying, and he ran to Jesus, begging for help. Jesus immediately went with him, but on the way, Jesus stopped. Imagine being Jairus. Your daughter is dying, time is running out, and Jesus stops. Then suddenly people arrive with devastating news. Your daughter is dead. Don't bother the teacher anymore. For everyone around Jairus, the story was over. No hope, no future, no way back. But Jesus turned to Jairus and said, "Do not fear. Only believe." And when Jesus arrived at the house, people were crying, people were mourning. Then Jesus said something that sounded completely impossible. "She is not dead. She is only sleeping." People laughed at him. Why? Because they only saw what was in front of them. They saw an ending. Jesus saw a beginning. People see loss. Jesus sees restoration. People see hopelessness. Jesus sees a future. People see death. Jesus sees life. This story was never just about one little girl. It was always pointing to something much bigger. Jesus would later defeat death itself. Because Jesus always goes deeper than what people see. And maybe that's still true today. What in your life have you already declared dead that Jesus hasn't? Your hope, your faith, your purpose, your joy. Maybe the story isn't over. Maybe Jesus is still speaking life into it. Do not fear, only believe.